Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information available in the financial markets? Like trying to find a needle in a haystack, only the haystack is constantly growing and the needles are constantly moving? If you're a Questrade user, or considering becoming one, you might be wondering, what research tools does Questrade offer, and crucially, how can I actually use them to make more informed investment decisions? It's a valid question, because simply having access to tools isn't enough. You need to understand what they are, what they do, and how to weave them into your investment strategy. In today's video, we're going to demystify Questrade's research arsenal. We'll break down the key features, show you where to find them, and provide practical examples of how to integrate them into your daily workflow, whether you're a brand new investor or a seasoned pro. Let's start with some of the fundamental building blocks of market research that Questrade provides, and then we'll dive into more advanced features and third-party integrations. 1. Real-time market data and quotes. At the core of any good research platform is reliable, up-to-the-minute market data. Questrade provides real-time snap quotes for stocks and ETFs. This means you can get the latest bid, ask, and last traded prices with a single click or refresh. How to use it. When you're looking at a specific stock or ETF on any Questrade platform, you'll typically see a quote panel. This panel will display the current price, the daily change in dollar amount and percentage, and often the bid and ask prices. For active traders, this real-time data is crucial for timing entries and exits. Even for long-term investors, knowing the current market sentiment and price action can inform your decision to buy or sell. While basic real-time data is available, active traders may want to consider subscribing to Questrade Plus for more advanced, streaming real-time data, which provides continuous updates without needing to manually refresh. This is especially useful for those watching intraday price movements closely. 2. News and insights, staying informed. The market is constantly reacting to news, and having timely access to relevant information is paramount. Questrade integrates news feeds directly into its platforms, primarily through partnerships with reputable financial news providers. How to use it. This brief typically summarizes key economic news and provides technical analysis insights before the market opens. It's an excellent way to get a quick snapshot of the global economic landscape and potential market movers for the day, allowing you to prepare your trading strategy. 3. TipRanks Research, unpacking analyst and blogger sentiment. One of Questrade's most powerful integrated tools comes from TipRanks. This service is designed to bring a layer of accountability and insight into the vast world of online financial commentary. TipRanks evaluates and ranks financial analysts and bloggers based on their historical accuracy and performance. Smart Score. How to use it. When you look up a stock, you'll see the TipRanks Smart Score. A higher score, closer to 10, suggests a stronger likelihood of outperformance. While it shouldn't be your sole decision-making factor, it provides a quick, data-driven consensus view that can validate your own research or prompt further investigation. For example, if you're considering a stock and it has a high SMART score, it might encourage you to dig deeper into why the score is high. Conversely, a low score might lead you to question your assumptions or look for alternative investments. Analyst ratings. How to use it. This gives you a quick cheat sheet on what Wall Street thinks of a particular stock. You can see the breakdown of buy, hold, and sell ratings, and the consensus price target compared to the current price. This can be useful for identifying potential upside or downside according to professional analysts. However, remember that analysts can be wrong, and it's important to understand the underlying reasoning behind their ratings. News sentiment analysis. How to use it. This helps you understand the prevailing mood surrounding a stock or sector. If the news sentiment is overwhelmingly negative, it could indicate potential headwinds, even if the fundamentals seem strong. Conversely, positive sentiment might suggest strong investor interest. Trending stocks. How to use it. This is a fantastic way to identify potential trading opportunities or to simply stay aware of what's moving in the market. If you're looking for ideas, you can filter 4 most rated stocks to see what's generating the most analyst buzz or best performing in a specific sector to ride a trend. 4. Advanced charting tools and technical analysis. For investors who rely on technical analysis to identify patterns and predict future price movements, Questrade offers robust charting capabilities, especially with Questrade Edge Web and Edge Desktop, and further enhanced with Questrade Plus. Chart types. How to use them. Different chart types highlight different aspects of price action. Candlestick charts are popular for visualizing opening, closing, high, and low prices for a given period, allowing for the identification of candlestick patterns that often signal reversals or continuations. Heikin-Ashi charts, for instance, smooth out price action and can be excellent for identifying trends. Technical indicators. How to use them. These indicators are mathematical calculations based on a security's price and/or volume. They help confirm trends, identify overbought/oversold conditions, measure momentum, and generate buy-sell signals. For example, a common strategy involves using two moving averages to identify crossovers that signal potential trend changes. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, can help identify if a stock is overbought, potentially due for a pullback, or oversold, potentially due for a rebound. Experiment with different indicators to find what resonates with your trading style. Drawing tools. How to use them. These tools allow you to mark up your charts to identify support and resistance levels, trend channels, and potential price targets. For example, drawing a trend line can help you visualize the direction and strength of a trend. Fibonacci retracements can help identify potential pullback levels after a significant price move. Integrating the tools into your workflow. Now that we've covered the individual tools, let's talk about how to integrate them into a cohesive research workflow. For the new investor, start with the basics. Explore tip ranks. Build watch lists. Utilize learning mode. For the intermediate investor, deep dive into charting. Leverage screeners. Set smart alerts. Explore options play, if interested in options. For the advanced trader, maximize Questrade Edge Desktop/Web. In-depth tip ranks analysis. Advanced order types. Integrate third-party partners. Ultimately, Questrade provides a comprehensive suite of research tools that cater to a wide range of investor needs and experience levels. The key is to understand what's available, how to access it, and then to incorporate these tools strategically into your own investment process. Don't feel pressured to use every single tool immediately. Start with what's most relevant to your current investing style and gradually explore more advanced features as your confidence and understanding grow. The more you utilize these resources, the more informed and confident you will become in your investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.